Hair dryers are a cornerstone of professional quality styling at home. The Babyliss line blends titanium and ceramic technologies with high wattage and advanced concentrator accessories to deliver powerful airflow, reduce drying times, and healthier tresses when used correctly.
List number 1. Nano Tita, this Babyliss Pro branded model, leverages a 2,000-watt titanium motor and an ionic system intended to reduce frizz while driving fast drying. It ships with a concentrator nozzle and a professional-grade aesthetic, and its blue titanium body signals performance-oriented styling. At $114.99, it sits near the premium mid-range, aiming to balance power with a lighter weight versus heavier Salon rigs. Performance-wise, the 2000W motor provides brisk airflow and strong heat capability, which shines on thicker or coarser hair types. The titanium construction typically translates to durability and heat resilience, with the ionic technology helping to seal the cuticle for smoother finishes. Real-world use indicates short drying times with a focus on precision styling using the concentrator. However, without a removable filter cover description or multiple nozzle options beyond the concentrator, users may miss some versatility for diffusing or smoothing at different lengths. The corded design ensures
List number 2. Nano Titanium 2000-watt blow dryer with concentrator nozzle. This appears to be a near-identical listing to product 0, sharing the same 2000-watt ionic configuration and professional-grade intent, priced at $114.99. The duplication suggests either a variant or a listing error, but it remains a strong candidate for users seeking salon-level power in a more portable, corded package. In practice, you can expect performance parity with product 0, fast drying, effective frizz control from ionic technology, and dependable heat. The main differentiator for buyers will be perceived consistency across listings and potential subtle differences in materials or finish. If you're choosing between two nearly identical options, consider availability of replacement parts, warranty terms, and retailer support. The user experience hinges on reliable heat stability during longer sessions and comfort in grip given the weight profile implied by a 2000-watt metal-bodied tool. List number 3. Ceramics Extreme Hair Dryer. The Ceramics Extreme model by Babyliss Pro is positioned as a ceramic-focused alternative at $94.99. It uses ceramic technology to provide even heat distribution and a more forgiving heat profile, which can be gentler on fine hair while still delivering salon-grade airflow with a 2000-watt rating. Performance-wise, the ceramic chamber typically produces a softer, more uniform heat, reducing the risk of hot spots during extended styling. This makes it appealing for users with sensitive scalps or fragile hair who still want efficient drying. The lack of explicit ionic technology in the description raises questions about frizz handling compared to titanium ionic siblings. The tool would benefit from clear information about heat settings, weight, and diffuser compatibility. For professional use, the ceramic option can be a compelling balance of gentler heat and solid airflow.
List number 4. Nano Titanium Italian Portofino Hair Dryer. This premium model, at $139.99, leans into the Italian Portofino branding, with a 2,000-watt titanium build and professional-grade construction. The black titanium aesthetic signals a high-end tool designed for frequent use, with an emphasis on power, durability, and a salon-like finish. In practice, the Portofino's titanium architecture should deliver robust handling of high heat, enabling rapid drying for thicker hair while maintaining long-term durability. The tool should pair well with advanced styling techniques, including concentrated airflow for smoothing and direct blows for voluminous finishes. Potential downsides to note include cost premium and possible heavier weight, which may reduce comfort during longer sessions. Users should also verify available attachments, diffuser, multiple concentrators, to maximize versatility.
List number 5. Nano Titanium Travel Hair Dryer. This budget-friendly travel option weighs in at $44.99 and features a 1,000-watt motor with dual voltage, foldable handle, and a concentrator nozzle. The combination of ceramic and titanium materials aims to balance portability with adequate performance for on-the-go styling. In real-world use, the 1000W motor will be noticeably less aggressive than the 2000W siblings, making this dryer best suited for fine to normal hair or quick touch-ups while traveling. The dual voltage feature is a clear travel advantage, ensuring compatibility with international outlets. The foldable handle and compact form factor improve travel ergonomics, but can translate to a lighter, potentially less durable build. Noise levels may be lower due to smaller motor, but overall performance will be more modest and require longer drying times for thicker hair.